Hi, I'm Andrew. Welcome to 8145 Linden Leaf, my newest listing in the Worthington subdivision of Northwoods. Come on and take a look. One of my favorite things about this home, not only is it a 5-bedroom of almost 5,000 square feet, but the outdoor living space is amazing. This is a 19 by 13 3-season room that continues right out to the deck. And when you're out here, you look over one of the metro parks, so you're never gonna have neighbors behind you. Can you imagine sitting out here in the evening and enjoying a drink with absolutely no neighbors behind you? At the top of this bridal staircase, you're going to find 5 bedrooms and 3 full baths. Go on and take a look. The master suite is amazing. If you're looking for an amazing home in a very tranquil, serene neighborhood with great access, give me a call. I'd love to give you a private tour.